So guys, how are you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Kama lami nguJozi, I'm a storyteller. Ngikhuluma izinto ezenzeka real life. Ufuna isigaxa ninkinga eyenzeka empilweni yakho. Inboxa ku TikTok ngizokuthumela inamba, ngize nendlebe and then wena uze nendaba. Cicana mina ngize ngapha ngizotshela abalaleli bethu guys. Ngiyabonga, ngiya-appreciate kakhulu kubantu abakhomentayo ku comment section. Ngiyabonga the advices mahila alafang batho kuyaleboga too much. Ngiyabonga, and please if you know la ungareferela khona ukuthi umuntu angathola isizo especially mentally body therapy kilobona dulinyana sidisho, please referan because abantu besifazana abomama bathole kanzima guys, too much like into mina ngiyibonayo like iyantshosha. So ngiyabonga kakhulu uthwarishano isikhathi senu nilalela itori zabanye abantu and thatha isikhathi sakho type leyo advice. Kuyaleboga too much, nenza okukhulu emphakathini wabantu besifazana abahlukumezekile. Even namadoda I know ukuthi ayago, but each and every time angiposta a story nami kukhona lokho ngithathayo ungifundisayo as a person. Story time, solo ngiyapepera story time. Usisi angibhalela ashozi mina ngikhulisa umama besi-3 mantombazana ara ashozi ayikho into ebuhlungu ukuthi ukhule ekhaya la kune favorite child khona and le favorite child kungabuwi ayikona level of trauma, level of betrayal ukayifeeling like ukhulisa kimtswalo analeng favorite child uthi ashozi mina am the first born ekithi kune second born esekithi ke Mantwa, so thi second born uMantwa usisuthi uLebo, mina ngulebo noMantwa. Okay, third born yaye cause izinto eziningi ayimfaki laba bayi2 or ashozi mina ngikhule umama kumuntu usebenzayo sikhulisa umama ubaba akekho wasibalekile. So ashozi mina the first born angishare ubaba nalaba bayi2, laba bayi2 bashare ubaba oyi1, mina angishare ubaba. Mina umama mangithola sesemncane kibudi teenage pregnancy asangabe nelakhi ke ubaba amavelo ambalekela ke, and then laba uhleli nobaba but bagcina seba ubaba khona ugcina naye so uyabaleka se wagcina seyayi single parent kanjalo. Okay, so awushozi umama makasebenza each and every time ne if hutla Christmas mina nosisi wami sishana nge5 years, mina nosisi wami longilandela second born uMantu. So awushozi mina ngikhule in a place where yonke into ifavor umntwana sekithi, yonke into school wise endlini yonke into ifavor umntwana sekithi uMantu nakeselo uthi awushozi ay okay masikhula kilobana like manikhula mina ngicala isikolo, so izinto eziningi zasesikolweni bebangithengela but bebanrekela like into e1, it's either uzosebenzisa into 1 iziphele izidabuki bikhakotha isikolo kodwa para bibindifele athi ngiphile kanjalo beyimpilo enormal for mina leso sikhathi. Usisi wami aqala isikolo or awushozi likula lihlobula awusaka bebamrekela from school bag yonke into, dry mag, everything, tunic, everything yahare brand new. Okay, ngisho ukuthi hayi ngoba usaqala isikolo izophela this thing or awushozi each and every time usisi wami ngathi ufuna something esikolo, my mother even if anganayo imali uzoyenza sure ukuthi uyayihlanganisa leyo mali for my sister. Mina bangathi esikoleni bafuna ama5 rand so bhatala ama5 rand uyosho kahle ukuthi akanayo imali, but usisi wami bangathi esikoleni kune trip babathatha 200 rand or awushozi lona thathi leyo amudise ngalona the following morning masesikoleni bamnike isisi wami abhatala uthi into sengikhule iyenzeka uthi hayi iqale ke kufika Christmas phela usisi wami sahlakaniphile ke manje aqale Christmas babuza yena aqale ukuthi ubhatla eni. Usisi wami uyokhuluma ukuthi ufuna ini usisi wami bayamthengela everything ayifunayo, everything ayibatla ngilwekreya. Mina bavele bangithengele iroko namancaphangapha baphuma kimi gore wena ubatla eni, they will never ask you uthi impilo mina engikhule ngiphila. Awushozi uthi okay ngiqala isikhathi sami sama period, maqala ama period awushozi mina umama athina ngeke athenga ama pets, athengela amantombazana ama pets. Intombazana fanele ifunde ukuthi lishila labereka or awushozi mina ngikhule ngesikolweni ke diaper kamashila ngesikolweni uthi makufika my sister makafika lelo level my mother beyenza sure ukuthi amthengela 2 packets ama-pads every month. And if ever mina ngiqala ngiya komatsatsini before my sister akafuni ngisebenzisa ama-pads kasiswami athi lo mntwana sesemncane uyofika lapha le pads lewe esikoleni abafana bamhleke, so wena ngoba somdala soyijwayele lento lena wena qhubeka ngale. Or awusithozi bokuyimpilo yami like everything or bekidula ke sinati pain thina usisi wami bekana ama-pentalk esikolweni nama-pentalk esontweni nama-pentalk hlala ekhaya. Or na awushozi kibele ipenti tse 3 bekina le ipenti tse 3 ke tsebe gore A1 emsa e kena ke shepang ka yona ngiyibalabalela nene ngiphila ngalezi zi2 the whole time. Dithaku bekina le 1 payout chip mangisekhaya ngincapha nginecathulo zesikolo. I need to make sure ukuthi lezo zicathulo zangilast maye ngapheli icathulo zesikolo yakungaphelanga mama bengitshela kahle ukuthi nakana chelete nyaka everything ngisatshanda ke le ujedi mpha. What about the younger child, meaning my sibling? Uthi ichubeke kanjalo awusithozi kanjalo until umntwana sekithi lona ulasibona qale na isikolo. Aqala isikolo yena beyangathengela izinto ezisha, everything encane eshare umntwana sekithi umantwa iyakumntwana sekithi uthi everything from school bag, uniform, makosa sikolo, everything depends everything. Both of us sakhula sazi ukuthi umuntu othola izinto ezinsha endlini umantu, umuntu othola izinto ezinsha zeChristmas ke mantwa nake dikray unless if kifaka imani yaka or ngizipha ama cousin wami. But umntwana sekithi lona omncane yena uthatha zakalo esibazincane the whole time. I was just okay shapo ngitsene esikolo ke fetse hayi umamncane wami ke anceda uku-apply ke angi-apply lesikolo nafsasi mike sayitsebe mamncane wami no ngizokunceda mina ukuthi ba-accept. Or I was choosing hayi angi-apply lo mamncane ngicela ungi-apply la ngibe ne-lucky ke uthi hayi ngibe ne-lucky hayi ngi-apply nafsasi ngi-accept. I was choosing ngitsene esikolo move immediately move ehlala university. Or I was choosing my mother the way like beka cruel ngakhona umamncane wami angi-apply sama form nga everything bekafuna ukuthi nafsa sizongipha malini kwenzakalani. Or I was choosing ayifuna ukuthi lingena nina le mali immediately imali mayingene bekangitshela kahle urumela chelete ekitla ufa chelete irumele ka ufela. Or I was choosing mina university ke gothi go lengwanyana la na le njini tsepedi athi icathulo benginengcapsi nitekeli 1 and isengina label ari ngolo bophelo baka awuso child neshalang ngolo child ikho lastang the whole month encane uthi umama mbehanga thathi jojo makathi thumela imali today nikirumela uthi ngiphilelo yempilo ngase ngaceda. Ora ngiceda bathi in service training bangithatha ke lapho ke bengenza khona ke uthi hayi mangicala ngisebenza esikixwayetshe umamaka izinto ezinhle mina zingifanele uthi mangisebenza ngamtshela ukuthi ngikhola malini bekangitshela ukuthi ngithumele imalini ekhaya. Or awusithozi impilo yami first year salary yami bengingayidli lo salary yami amaka. Or awusithozi and bengimthumela imali umama bengimthumela imali up until one time kile ku high my younger sister unezinto unalidlu zeli smart unezinto ezinhle zokuchepa on everything ngibe ukuthi awena baba lezinto athi ngisithengela umama mina. But my younger sister sibling lo last born abamthengeli anything. Or awushoze ngihambe ngiyotshela umamncane wami lo wangi I do apply nefsas uthi ngihlale naye phansi ngimchazele isimo sami ukuthi nawe ngisenda imali umama manje uthi ngikhola malini udemanda leyo imali angina problem ngiyamthumela. But still namanje ngisebenza nginazi impahla ngisebenza ngihlala kompantshing omkhukhwini because of angikhona uafforda a comfortable place la ngabhadala khona because imali yami yonke yamama ongiluthi find out ukuthi umama uthatha imali yami urekela ngwana ku hide ulutse smart but lo nomunye akamthengeli. Uthi awushozi ngiyambonga umamncane wami uthi umamncane wami was like from today cut off your mother athi mkhathe off ungaselo samthumela imali mthande from a distance lo mthumela yona ilo mthumela yona if you afuna ukumthumela lo nyanga mthumela if you don't want to send money again ungayithumeli. Or awushozi that was the first advice engayithatha kamamncane. Or katsa phone ngapha ngafonela umama ngamtshela ukuthi from now on uzongibhalela izinto ozidingako then mina I will buy them ketela zona ku high from now on I'm not going to give you money. Or awushozi umama mlula umuntu athethe or athethe umuntu athethe into engapheli. But nami ngize ukuthi you know what enough it's enough ngiphilile impilo yami yonke lempilo I'm not going to live it again. Awushozi the way I was so traumatized bengakhona ukuthi mangikholile ngikhipha imali nje ngizispoil uthi bengakhona bengisaba ukuthi umama uyongithethisa or lento ihambe for iminyaka uthi awushozi ithathe isikhathi ukuthi ngizi-appreciate ngizithande ngifunde ukuthi mangikholile ngizithengele izimpahla ngizithengele those expensive sneakers once in my life uthi mina ngikhule azange ngithenge nje into expensive empilweni yami azange ngithengele into expensive empilweni yami and amangithenga or nekityakhe utswalo nekechaba the level of trauma umama angiphe yona ne-abuse angempha yona emhlabeni uthi hayi okay awushozi esengicala ke ngasenda ilist ngimthengela mina izinto mangikhaya hayi i-relationship ke ibe sawa vele singasazwani kahle vele lo mama ube umuntu ukuthi yaqala ukukhuluma kabi ukuthi ungikhulisile namuhla sengiyasebenza ngizibona ngathi ngcono hayi awushozi untandokazi ke kamama uMantwa kube umuntu ukuthi so uba into abo sugar daddies uratana le sugar daddy awushozi utsana kamo ayitswa ke motho aphithizela ngimashow a roba lenhlungu yonke into esinakuswa yenza sa concentrate esikolweni usister sazanga pass matric ngaphasi matric vele wathatha impilo yakhe vele wazinikeza vele emadodeni and older men not intanga zakhe ura awushozi motho ulana dikolo biri dibona ka yena tshedi smart tshedi fetja ngoke le test besibona ura awushozi lo muntu beya collect ama lawyer beya collect ama doctor kodwa ke ba collector abantu abalengo di position to top because of I lifestyle ayiphilayo ura awushozi mina my sister muhle I don't want to lie to you mntwana sekithi kubithi senke sikuthi kithi sonke si3 athi upila ngoyana upila muhle but ubuhle bakhe ubusebenzise ngendlela wrong instead ukuthi ngabe uyafunda concentrate into wrong and remember akayenza into wrong phambi kobusoba ka mama uthi siswami awushozi kube ukuthi ke yaphithizela likali 82000 sasikhathi indaba yi3 days isangena or awushozi umuntu aphithizele kanti unfortunately kuzobala ukuthi ukhetha i-virus kanti ilesikhathi lesana engasho uba ukuthi abantu like ba open like now or awushozi akhethe i-virus umuntu aqale vele akhule umuntu akhule or kilo wana umuntu omuswe alwale abamuntu or akhule umuntu akhule hayi ngibona ukuthi lo muntu lona yakhula or awushozi akifihla hayi umuntu ulele ujulala lekhona ujulike umanzi intephu kuthabela umama vele ashwara bamloya ngwanaka bamjelasela izinto ezinjalo uthi nami ngingacabangi ukuthi akaba nalibulweji bo kilo bona uthi hayi ngithatha imali vele mama athi sambe so consulta kumakhosi or awushozi sekumunye umama ke masifika lapho mama consulte or awushozi mama khuluma or no or sometimes indingaka if sithathe kodika ngobojanga ukutshela ukuthi umntwana uthakathiwe kesihlobo kukayi uthashitshele lezo zinto lezo or awushozi mangisemsebenzini ngitshele like one of my colleagues uthi umntwana sekithi uyagula la khona fanele sichange amashidi ebusuku kuba manzi or awushozi ngimchazela like ama symptoms ukuthi umuntu uba kanjani kulona uphethwe izinyawo zakhe zisoleni bareke sifola dilingana tsedijwa hayi awushozi ukuthi ngimchazele ngithi uyagula uphume like izilonda like the blisters like la nemzimbeni so bareke le balanta dilingana tsedijwa or awushozi ukholi kwami athi no athi abantu izinto zibhalayo umalume ambeka nazo arimalume akho ufeditse kebulwetsibo so I think ukuthi usister so uphethwe kebulwetsibo please take care to the doctor or clinic or awushozi ngikhaya ngifike ekhaya ngitshela umama ke lezindaba ukuthi colleague yami uthi simise clinic yo awushozi uthi umama wami wangithuka umuntu wangithuka asingeke kachalkane yakho uthushe ngwana ka sephela mogaka utlosolo ubushetja ngwana ka dutshele mpe una le pelo mpe la bona le pelo mpe utshelesela abantu lekhishetja bashwa una uthi awushozi umuntu wangingenelela wangithi instead of mina I'm offering help noma sela phuma khosi yimi ngibhadala ngemali yami but ngathethiswa ngathuka ke nale pelo mpe yanjela sela ulebi ngoba muhle hathwanele nina akena shape akethwanele ke selo or awushozi ngathuka like that uthi ngavele ngayeka indaba ke ngaphuma ezindabeni zabantu ngabe sengizibela mina ekoleni ngizibele emsebenzini hayi awushozi ahambe kube ukuthi ngathi some of the family members ke bamtshela ukuthi usister need kufanele ukuthi ayi clinic uthi hayi sister aqala phuza medication mina mangikhaya umuntu usuyaqala vele uyapick up uba right umuntu uphuza medication umuntu uyapick up uba right hayi umuntu uyapick up vele ubela back to isimo sakhe vele kancane umuntu uyapick up uba right yabona uthi hayi ngim approach ke mina mangisekhaya ugela mbuzo ukuthi mantwa kahle ukuthi uphethwe yini uthi vele umanta open up vele angitshela ukuthi no ishikitsa mile wrong ngathi ubani ungifakile bulletsi because ngilele nayi bamba ngiluthele jwa uthi ngim advice ukuthi if you has thokomela this thing uzoba right but you need to take medication yakho every day ungayikhohlwa yabona urasozi mina no girl siba ne conversation sharp umuntu ahamba yomama akhe ke amtshela ukuthi ngikhuluma naye ngathini kodwa awushozi lelo langa ililanga umama wami wangixosha ikithi wangixosha like wangikuba uthi mama ngihlala ngithuka ngiabuse bekiphela ke ya because of umina umzali ngimazi owangikhulisa akenamzali okemtseba athi lelo langa mama wabaka amabheke wami walahlela kolapeni like lapha kumuzi ehodlweni thini ngisizulu ku front uthi wabhaka zonke izinto zami wazilahlela athi ngithi ngapha ngisakufuna unomhliziyo wempi unalomono unale jealous or awushoza umama wangixosha okay no problem ngahamba mina ngayomamncane ngareporta le issue umamncane ukuthi umama ungixoshile ama reasons wakhe ile 1 2 3 4 yabona uthi hayi umamncane athi kimi athi no I will go and speak to her but for now ukhumbula ukuthi umama wakho yabona kuba ukuthi ungabe ukuthi sofuna ukuthi umama wakho akukhese or wena ukhese umama wakho kilobona alright awushozi no problem umamncane athi uzoyisota out indaba ngihambe mina vele angisana khaya ke sebangixoshile so ikhaya senginalo ugama mncane uthi hayi isikhathi awushozi isikhathi masiya are sometimes imdimu uyakuthesta like uto blessa in ways that nawo uzibuza ukuthi kanjani labe ngisebenzela khona awushozi umuntu bekangiphethe umphathi wami kuba ukuthi uyamuva uyosebenzela abroad so kube ne position uthi my boss asangahlele bathi uthi wajika I know ukuthi usebenza hard kanjani and I think ukuthi position le itlothwanele ola awushoze ngithola promotion kanjalo mangithola promotion kube ukuthi ke ngiyofunda bayangisenda ngiyofunda abroad something lesisebenza ngayo uthi hayi ngingalena awushoza ngifika ngalena ura life man life sengalena for 3 months siyabuya 3 months siyabuya things like that uthi hawu mangiyangalena awushoza ikopana lelo khowa guy abe interested kimi nami ngibe interested ku guy la trainer khona ku training center yakhona uguy sebenza lapha like really the feelings for each other kilobona uthi hayi uguy vele angitshela athi no mina ngiyakuthanda insema ngibona first day kabona like a dark beauty lipile or ashozi mina no guys tunesi sit together uthi hayi ilife kube mnandi komjolweni kube mnandi emjolweni kube mnandi emjolweni awushozi kube ukuthi guy athi I want to fly out kitlokogenu and see the culture ngibone nasekini kilobona or awushozi remember mina nomama asakhulumisana asafonelana the only mzali senginaye manje umamncane wami hayi ngivume ngithi hayi mina ngizobuya ngapha if you want to come if you want to take along ngeza ke uzovakasha ngapha eSouth uthi hayi uguy vele ngifuna askip khathi ukuthi vele ngibuye uguy vele afuna ukubuya ngami ngapha eSouth alright awushozi reconnect rebook the flights rebook accommodation afike ngapha vele ahlala khona nami ngihlala khona but uguy was like no akibatlona ko drop I want to see the villages la uya khona uthi hayi ngibe ukuthi ke sengiyabona ukuthi le ndaba le iserious hayi ngifonela umamncane wami ngimtshele kumamncane ukuthi no I've got a visitor but umuntu oso so please prepare for us because ufuna ukubona ngomahayeni or awushozi nake hama mncane ke nomwami ke omosha boyfriend esha or awushozi I've been dating abantu abamnyama but azange ba introduce ku my family members wami leyo impilo yami be private to me but this one he was the one who was forcing things ukuthi no I just want to meet your family I love you ngifuna ukubona like love la khona komahayeni yabona how awushozi sihambe ke sifika mamncane aramkhele mamncane asipreparele like kube like staycation sisemonade kilobona kube mnandi ngimkhombe around uguy la ngifunde khona isikolo like ngimkhombe indawo like athi awushozi you know ngokomahayeni daba irobali indaba iyaflowa indawo iflow isefike kumatha Kaya enjoy hayi mamncane wami introduce ku my family members wasekithi but singam introduce ku mama singayiveli ka mama or hayi awushozi hayi kube kuthi ke sengiyajika ke no guy ngibela konkumahweni how masifike emahweni umama uyangifonela yewena inhliziyo embi ngakhona bathi sothana nomlungu uzibona ngathi uphakeme lana kwami akusi right phone ubona kamamncane goba kunama tiles lana kwama kunama tiles ubona uzenza umuntu ophakeme sophakama ngami lepho or awushozi mama athethe ngizibona ngathi ngiphakeme ngoba senginemoto ngoba sengiyasebenza ngoba kamamncane kunamathayili wakho kunamathayili or awushozi angithu or kelebo khamodini cause ngakhama down uthi angithuka ngamlalela khuluma yonke inhlamba esemhlabeni ayikhuluma athi andruha afetsa araqedile ngavela ngasidropele phone immediately ngidrop phone ngathatha umlungu ngambeka phansi ngamchazela ukuthi the reason ungakubona ngumama is because of the situation yami. Lungu was like, no, I don't have a problem. As long as you are happy, I don't have a problem. But I was just vexed to say so to Mlungu azojika. Mina ngisachikise ngizosebenzela ngaba le project esiyenza ngale sengicedile or awushozi Mlungu ayephansi nge1 Mlungu angicela ukuthi imshade nowandrata obatorke bemsadi yagage or awushozi I was so excited I called umamncane informing umamncane ukuthi lungisani phela amadwendwe ayeza nithungiseni phela nithungiseni kuthiwa nababahlonyala lekhwali bahlonyala so makabuya ngapha uzobuya nabakhongi or awushozi my aunt afonele mama family members ke wathi ufonela ama family members kube kuthi umalumama athi no hajedi we need to tell umaka lebo angeke senze izinto without telling her uthi hayi mamncane ngifonele anginforme ke ngimtshela ngithi mina if umalume yena ufuna uhamba leyo ndlela yotshela mama allow him to go uzositshela ukuthi uhambe njani kumama hayi umalume kube ukuthi uyahamba yeyotshela usisi wakhe uthi mamncane ke soyangitshela ke ukuthi umalume umama ufikile nawathi yena utabona gore ke tla phomelela lenyalo le because lebo ka mtseba o rata banna aka khona gore molegwali dule kwa monna dule kwa mosadi dula kwa o tloba le monno mo le tseba ka gore le dutjana le ntsono tsa marobala le banna gore abe le tsona le mmereko le tseba ka gore kentse ke monno go robetse le monno gore kremer or I was choosing like the way my uncle was so disappointed ukuthi usukusile yena athi no I want to tell my sister ngifuna uvala ngaphandle the way like he was so disappointed from amagama wathole kumama about mina uthatshela umamncane wami amncane wami was like hey mina and lebo if ufuna ukuthi abantu bakho bukhungabazelana or bazika mamakho it's fine I don't have a problem uthi ngitshela umamncane ngithi from now on you're my mother yonke into yami izodlula through wena akinamtswadi na akinamme atlompolela ngilayidate uzongikhuluma kabe mosina kulabantu laba or awusuzila ngale magadi lifihle brothers abuye kube mnandi kube lelo wala celebration hama mncane everything ibe mnandi everything hambe kahle hayi ngaqeda ilobola this very same day after seqedwe ilobola celebration umama ayise kamamncane magafi arkenya go bona gore magadi nyana gago lenyalo nyana la go le tlosa kusita na ke nya go bona cause uphakeme kakhulu uthi akhulume so in front of ama sisters wa siblings wakhe akhulume kanje uthi umalume vele amkhuza athi no umntwana ungamkhesi into yakhe saqala into yakhe ihle sa celebrate kumnandi saziphusela wena uqala i details ha or awusanya ko ba mo uto kitegela rena tsamaya shia ngwana ka khotso tsamaya uthi awushozi my husband abangahamba ngababhuke indawo bazohamba the following day bara babila uyena ubele igolo hamba nami then laba abanye bayahamba ke bona or awushozi hayi balale ke the following day ngihlangane ne husband thina sijike ke husband aqeda iviki eSouth Africa and then athi no sizoqala process for ukuthi wona uzokhona umuva uyohlala ngale permanently and then ukhulume nabelungu bakho ukuthi angeke bakhona ukutransferela labo boyenza khona le program lo boyenza yabona or awushoza how ilife yami it's life yomonati lobona uthi how uguy ahambe ke ngimkhaphe airport anamele flight atsamaya uthi awushoze umuntu sikhulume 2 days after sekalendile sasengilabo 3 mangimfonela inumber engine labo 4 inumber again I'm like no man I do have ama contact numbers ka the family members nabangani bakhe ngifone ukuthi no ngifuna Steve yasinsi ngicine nini bathi Steve ukhona thina simbone nini uthi ngithi ngicela ukuthi uye kwakhe and then ngikufonele umnikeze ifoni ngikhulume naye I friend ahambe ke ayika Steve bafika Steve ngifone ke uSteve avela ngitshela athi I mean I can't marry a black person. I can't. So mina nawe into isihlanganisile iphelela today. Ake sabantu sakhe samfonela. Ora shows ngibe shocked. Lo muntu like was so in love nami. Ngibe shocked. Ora kube yini ukuthi ngiyakhala kanandi. Ngifonela umamncane, inform umamncane ukuthi no mamncane kwenzeka sona so ukhaya uthi yena ngeke ushada umuntu omnyama. Uthi umamncane athi akukhonakala umuntu lo ubeka excited kakhona akukhonakala. Ora awushozi umamncane athi theoga no utle gae. Re bona gore re tlo dira jwang. Tshwantse gore rona no re bona gore re tswa ka ntlo re bona plan gore go diragalang ka bophelo ba gago. Ora awushozi ha umamncane as promised ngehle esikhaya bangifika re tsamaya ku makhosi. Uthi awushozi befuthi before then kube ukuthi umama uya kumamncane after a week after my lobola akuyahamba ya kumamncane amtshela ukuthi mantwa uhweditse monna ebile monna gage umotshitsa magadi ka weekend yona e reng yona be ke re ke tlo botsa yabona umama utshela umamncane uthi hayi mamncane vele uyangicacela ukuthi hayi phela umama khobeka la uthi Saturday bayokhiphela umantwa amagadi awushoze sambe sihlola lapho uthi masifika sihlola lapha yana awushoze umama vele alahle ilutsa gage fasi angitshele athi wena sisi angeke ukhone angeke ubulungele next especially go ba le monna le go ba le bana uthi awungimangale monna le bana kanjani athi angibuze athi awumangali mara wena ubi nabantwana awumangali ukuthi azangiwabreka nje since wabangabangaka ora awushozi bengakliki kimi bengenza ngiyeka ngiprevent ngiyeka bengakliki kimi ukuthi maybe there is something blocking me ukuthi ngabe ningani like azangifika ingqondweni yami athi wena phela iphenti yakho bayigubhele athi bayigubhele bayifasile bayigubhela athi umuntu egubhele lo mamakho kufasile ukuthi ungalotsholwa ungashadi ungabe nenjabulo and futhi ungabe nabantwana arepenti usanzo uyigrey because mama khoma ngashona azi ukuthi ngeke ushade obalefito wazi ukuthi angeke ube nabantwana mama unonya nomona akufunela izinto ezinhle so everything I did udile matla everything I did udile kena go ruta wa disatsamaya gabotse le monna o rakile ke mama gago athi phela wena ushadiwe but awuna ndoda mara ushadiwe uthi ngivuma ukuthi athi ngithi nalo ndoda ukuthi ihambe isuke kuwe athi umamakho akakufunile okuhle mntwanami ngitshela manje phenda kwesisigangeni bayigubhele ukuthi ungashadwa ungaphindi ube nomntwana elanga lomhlolo kuyakhonakala ukuthi umzali wakho angaza kusonde ngalendlela na orona no I'm on the verge of losing my mind because I'm trying to find leyo painti leyo ukuthi kuphi uyigubhele esigangeni we've been searching for leyo painti leyo aregrey makhosi akakhona ukuyi-allocate but what I can tell you is that umamam like she's busy trying to destroy my life uthi hayi umamncane wami mina ngibile emsebenzini umamncane kwami angifonele athi hayi phela indaba lobola celebration iyenzekile but no holy cut and paste arinobona gore mu bagapeletsa uthi hayi ngithi hayi mina ngiyamfisela ukuhle ke usisi wami if ushadiwe it's fine kodwa ushuze awafela beke mamncane wami yangifonela athi phela bathu umamakho uweboleka imali uphila ubhuti uthi lokole lentombazana le everything ikubhansithe ke mama gago ari wena ukasiphale ngwana gage ura awushozi kuzo zonke isihlu ezindlulile ungithakethelani mina ungicoshe kwakhe ungicoshile ambaqe ngiziphela yami impilo umuntu agcineke athakathe mina ura awushozi kinale fear gore uzongithakatha ukuthi ngiluze umsebenzi angithatha ukuthi ngasawuthola umoya umsebenzi so ke batla thuso hore ngayenza kanjani for ukuthi le case umzali wami iphume empilweni yami for good angakhona ukungilandela angakhona ukungithola noma ngenezindumbeni athuthumele izinto zakhe zingangifinyeleli because I fear for my life mama uzongibulala angibulalela ukuthi uyangizonda